In English, we have words that we call pronouns. And pronouns are words that we use to replace nouns. Yeah. Instead of having to repeat a noun over and over again, we use pronouns. And there are different types of pronouns. There are personal pronouns, there are demonstrative pronouns, there are reflexive pronouns, etc. However, in today's lesson, we are focusing on personal pronouns. By the way, my name is Joseph Latter and I'm your English teacher. Welcome once again to my YouTube channel. I hope you do like and subscribe. As regards this topic, in relation to this topic, I'll be talking about three things. I'll be talking about person, I'll be talking about number, and I will be talking about case. So when we refer to person in English, we mean, is it the first person? First person is usually the speaker. Or is it the second person? Second person is usually the person you are speaking to. And third person is the person you are talking about. Yeah? So if I am talking to my brother, I am the first person. My brother is the second person. And if we are talking about, say, my father, my mother, or we're talking about any other person or anything or any place, that would be third person. Do you understand? Yeah? So in that simple way, so I, the speaker, I am the first person. The person I'm having a conversation with, the person I'm talking to, is the second person, while the person or the thing we're talking about would be third person. Do you understand that? I believe you do. So, and then when we talk about number, we mean is a singular or plural. If it is just one, that is singular. I, just one. You, the person I'm talking to, just one. Like I am talking to you, my viewer, right now, just one person. And the person we're talking about, or the thing we're talking about, would be, if it is just one person, one thing, one place, that would also be singular. So singular means just one. While plural means two or more. So plural could mean two, could mean three, could mean four, could mean 10, could mean 100, but that's plural. And also case, as regards case, we mean, is it a subject case or is it the object case? So subject is usually the performer of the action. Yeah, the subject is the performer of the action, the one that performs the action, while the object is usually the receiver of the action, or the undergoer of the action, the one that receives the action, the one that gets the consequence of the action, the one that undergoes the action. Yeah? So in line with this topic, let's go to the subject. Now, I've divided it into person, singular, and plural, yeah? And then the case, that's the subject. Now, the first person personal pronoun is I. First person, I. But if we are more than one, and we are co-first persons, that is we. So the plural version of I is we. So I am Joseph. I am the teacher. I am a good person. Yeah? If it is we are students. Yeah? We are best friends. We are playing football this evening. Yeah? We. Second person, you. You that I am talking to. You are my student. You are watching this video. You will watch this video till the end, won't you? So, and then if it is you, if it is plural, it is still you. So if 2, 3 of you are currently watching this video, I would say you all are the best. Yeah, you are the best. Even though it's 2, 3, 4 of you at the same time, you all are the best. You, my subscribers, are the best. Yeah. So you does not change, be it singular or plural. And third person, he. He, whom we're talking about. Yeah. The person we are talking about, he, that is third person. She, the person we're talking about. Oh, he has just bought a new car. He has just bought a new car. She has just bought a new house. She has just bought a new house. So I'm talking to you about her. I'm talking to you about him. Yeah? And it is my favorite dog. Or it is my favorite pet. It is my favorite city to visit. Yeah? It. And the plural of he, she, and it together would be they. So if we've got two boys, the plural is they. Two girls, the plural is they. Two places, the plural is they. Two animals, the plural is they. Even if we've got a boy, a girl, loads of people together, be it regardless of gender, the plural is still they. Yeah. And note this, in English, gender does not necessarily affect verb. Yeah, the only thing gender affects is the choice of which pronoun you should use. So let's go to the object. The object, like I said, is the receiver of the action. Yeah, the receiver. So if instead of me being the performer of the action, if I happen to be the receiver of the action, that's me. One person, me. Yeah, she fed me. Yeah, what did she do? She fed me. So she, first person, fed me. So she, third person, she, subject, fed me, an object. Yeah, so me, the verb, the pronoun me is the object form. So, and the plural of me is us. So maybe she fed two, three of us. So I would say she fed us. What she feed us doesn't matter, but she fed us. Yeah, you, I taught you pronouns. I am teaching you pronouns. I will continue to teach you. Yeah, you. So object. Even if it's 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 persons. Oh, you all my subscribers. I will always teach you. Yeah, I will always teach you. I'm talking to 2 of you. I'm talking to 10 of you. I'm talking to 1,000,000 of you. I will always teach you. Do you understand now? Yeah. And then him, her, or it. The person we're talking about. Yeah. So him, her, or it. I gave him my book. Who received my book? He did. So I gave him, because he is coming at the object position now. I gave him my book. I gave her a bag. I gave her a pencil. Oh, I gave it my best. I gave it its meal. Yeah? So him, her, or it, object pronouns, and the plural of these three would be them. Do you understand? Yeah? So I go over this again. So first person personal pronoun, we've got I, we've got we. I is singular, we is plural. Second person personal pronoun, we've got you is singular, you is also plural. Third person personal pronoun, we've got he, or she, or it. The plural of these three would be they. Object pronouns, object personal pronouns. First person, me. So if I am not longer the subject in this case, if I happen to be the object, that would be me. Yeah? And then the plural of me is us. You does not change regardless of whether it's the subject case or object case, regardless of whether it is a singular pronoun or the plural pronoun. You, an object case, the plural is still you. Object case of he, him. Object case of she, her. And object case of it is still it. But the object case of they is them. Do you understand? Yeah? That's simple. The final one. The object case of I is me. The object case of we is us. The object case of you is you. The object case of you is still you. The object case of he is him, she, her, it, and they, them. I believe you've learned so much in this short lesson. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for liking, thank you for sharing, and thank you for subscribing. I'll see you in the other video, which is tagged the verb be. And that's where I will teach you how to use all of these personal pronouns alongside the verb be. Thank you. Bye.